Hi. Hi. I'm student number 32.
Hi, I'm student number 31.
And I'm student number 25. Watch this clip to see if you can find Bill's assistant's error.
That we watched in physics class.
Science rules. You can make a boat that sinks. Not that you normally wanted to do that, but it does show you a lot about displacement. Try this. Take a piece of clay and mold it into a boat like this. Okay, it might not be a great boat, but at least it floats. See? Now take the boat and mold it into a block. It sinks. See, when the clay is in the shape of a boat, it displaces the same amount of water as it does when it's a ball.
That's wrong.
But it ends up floating.
BS.
The shape of the clay makes the difference. Let's do this again and measure how much water gets pushed out of these bowls. These are the same amounts of clay. See? It's about the same amount of water.
That's not true.
Miscalculation.
Hey, let's
That's
try
not true.
this. I'll make an aluminum foil boat.
No,
I wonder if it'll float.
So,
It's metal. Just like bicycles.
that little boy, well, Bill Nye, lied. And we are going to show you why. Okay. Okay. So, do you see those two lines? So this is where the starting level of the water is. Now watch when we put in the boat and it floats. The water goes right up to about that second blue line. We'll let it settle for a second. Let it settle for a second. Okay. Now, when the object sinks, a lot less water is displaced. So we can see that clearly when an object floats and an object sinks, it does not displace the same amount of water.
The volume displaced is different.
Yes. This is because
I really have no idea why.
because the air that was normally when the object floated,
the volume displaced.
there was air.
The
Then
air
this went
in
under,
it.
and water was able to fill this. So then the water level went down because water was able to fill this boat.
The volume
Whereas before, the same mass, meaning the same weight, was down there, but air was filling this, so not as much water was displaced. Thank you, Joanne. So, in other words, all you need to know is that Bill Nye lied, and that objects that float and objects that sink do not displace the same amount of water.
An object that sinks will actually displace less water.
Yes. Thank you.
Bill
Thank
Nye
you.
is a liar.
Bill Nye's a liar.